الرحيم. مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. This lesson is going to be based on page 4. So let's open our book 3, page 4. And on top of the page, we have a vocabulary list, and underneath we have a mini dialogue. So let's deal with the vocabulary first. And so we have the singular nouns as well as plural nouns, and it is very advisable when you are learning your vocabulary, always learn your singular together with its plural. So let's start. A name, singular, names, plural. Ismun, asma'un, ismun, asma'un. A boy, singular, boys, plural. Waladun, awladun. Waladun, that's a mufrad. Mufrad means singular. Awladun, plural. That's jama, boys. A girl, that's a mufrad, singular. Girls. Jama, plural. Bentun, banatun. Bentun, banatun. A bike, bikes. Mufrad and jama, singular and plural. Darajatun, that's a singular, mufrad. Darajatun, and that is plural, jama, bikes. An armchair or sofa, armchairs, sofas. Arikatun, that's a singular, mufrad. Araiku, plural, jama. A friend, a male friend, singular. A sadiqun, mufrad. Male friends, plural, jama. Asdiqa'u. Sadiqatun, that's a female friend, a friend, female. Friends, female friends, that's a plural. Sadiqatun, that's a singular, female friend. Sadiqatun, female friends. Now we have a sister. Ukhtun, I'll put that one here for you. Ukhtun, a sister. Plural, sisters. Akhawatun, akhawatun. Then we have a school, madrasatun, and plural, schools, madarisu. A quick reading again for you for the purpose of pronunciation. Ismun, asma'un, waladun, awladun, bintun, banatun, darajatun, darajatun, arikatun, araiku, sadiqun, asdiqa'u, sadiqatun, sadiqatun, ukhtun, akhawatun, madrasatun, madarisu. It is essential that we start, as usual, learning our vocabulary as we go along. Please revise this book vocabulary for me, and it's on page 4. Now, having gone through the vocabulary box on page 4, now let's do the mini dialogue below the box. And it is dialogue between Basim, who is a boy, and Habib, also is a boy. Let's go through the dialogue. So Basim said, "Peace be upon you. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you." What a wonderful greeting in Arabic. What a wonderful greeting. Now, when you are saying Assalamu alaikum, First of all, let's hear this shadda. The shadda is emphasis. You say assalamu alaykum. Again, the ayn, we need to hear the sound of ayn. Assalamu alaykum, and the response is wa alaykumus salam. Wa alaykumus salam. And upon you be peace. Now, Basim then say, I am Basim. Ana Basim. Ana, it is detached pronoun. Ana for one person, regardless whether the speaker is a boy or a girl. You say Ana, and that is Domair. Domair, we learn our detached pronouns of Domair al-Munfasila on page 3. So Ana, I am Basim. I am Basim. وهذا بسام, and this is Bassam. هذا, it is a demonstrative pronoun, ismul ishara, to point to a singular male, a single male, masculine singular. وهذا Bassam. For a female, you say وهذه, as we will explain further later on. مرحبا, welcome or hello. مرحبا, or you can say أهلا وسهلا as well. The response مرحبا بك. مرحبا بك, welcome to you as well. Then Habib said, where are you from? Where, أين is where in Arabic. Min is from. Min أين أنتما. Antuma, that's another detached pronoun for second person. Two people, you say Antuma, mean both of you. Antuma. Min أين أنتما, where are you from? So أين is one of your interrogative particle. Ismul istifham, to ask question. Where? Min أين أنتما, where are you from? Where are you both from? We are from Syria. Nahnu, that is another detached pronoun for two people speaking. That's a we are. It could be two or millions. We say nahnu. And also nahnu has no gender. Two female and plus, and two male plus will say nahnu, we are. Nahnu means Syria, where nahnu means Syria, where we are from Syria. ومن أين أنت, and where are you from? Anta is directed at singular male. Female will be anti. ومن أين أنت, and where are you from? أنا من London. I am from London. أنا من London. I'm from London. Basim, pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. فرصة سعيدة. فرصة سعيدة. Pleased to meet you. But the actual meaning of فرصة سعيدة is this. فرصة means an opportunity. سعيدة means happy. So as if you were saying, what a happy occasion to have met you. فرصة سعيدة. So we use that to roughly mean pleased to meet you. فرصة سعيدة. Pleased to meet you. Later on you are going to learn more phrases such as تشرفنا. All that, those phrases are coming later on. مع السلامة. Goodbye. مع السلامة. Again, that's your ayn. مع السلامة. Goodbye. But the actual meaning of مع السلامة is this. مع means with. سلامة means peace. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء. See you later, equivalent. See you later. But the real meaning of إلى اللقاء is إلى, until, لقاء, meeting. Until we, as if you are saying, until we meet again. إلى اللقاء. So when you hear me say مع السلامة, that means goodbye. إلى اللقاء, until we meet again. في أمان الله. Go with the protection, or in the protection of God. So that's what those phrases means really. Now, please do learn this for me. That's its first mini dialogue, which you can practice with those people who can speak Arabic, or talk to yourself on your telephone. Why not? Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. أنا باسم وهذا بسام. مرحبا مرحبا بك. من أين أنت؟ من أين أنتما؟ نحن من لندن. أنا من لندن. فرصة سعيدة. فرصة سعيدة. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء. في أمان الله.